Hi everyone. So I'm going to be showing you how to access remote apps so that if you're using remote apps or even if you're logging in using a desktop, you're able to log in correctly. I'm going to be logging in from a Mac, so I just go and I'll show you how to do this. I type in remote apps UVA and you'll see a ServiceNow link come up on Google. You'll click that, and then from the top, from a browser, Mac and PC, you'll see this drop-down menu, and you'll see an app or a link for this for remote apps that you can click on. From there, it might take a moment to load. You might need to click it twice, just depending on what your Wi-Fi is like. So either way, you can see I have this open. You can do this now through the Windows app. So you'll go ahead and you'll click this, and this will have you log into your Microsoft 365 account. You'll go ahead and you'll log in. From there, you'll see devices and you'll see the remote apps host pool. You can go ahead and click connect. You can keep all of these checked off. If you want to hit don't show again, you're welcome to, but then go ahead and hit connect. Then it'll have you sign back in. And one thing to note with remote apps specifically is it does take a little bit longer to load some things than if you have the desktop version of GIS. It's very convenient if you're using a Mac like myself, or if you're using multiple computers, if you happen to be traveling during this course, but it's just something to take into mind. It's not an issue with your computer, it's just how it works. So once you're logged in, this is the screen that you'll see on remote apps. You can go ahead and either type into the search bar or open up the little Windows folder over here and type in ArcGIS. You'll go ahead and you'll wait for that to open, and then you'll see ArcGIS, but then you also see ArcGIS Pro. This is what we'll be using for this course. So you can click on that and wait for the pop-up menu to show. So that's not exactly what we want. I'm going to go ahead and type that in again. This is what we want. We want ArcGIS Pro, we want the app. We'll go ahead and hit open. I'm going to minimize the screen so that we're just focusing on the application, ArcGIS Pro. We'll give it a second to initialize and open up its login pane. So for the sake of us logging in, because it seems like it automatically logged me in, I'm going to go ahead and click sign out. Now I'm going to hit sign in. So you'll see that it brought me to this browser page, right? If you are in the ArcGIS pool, and let me go ahead and hit start over and see. I guess maybe it won't give it to me now, but if you're in a window that's like this, and it does give you the login option, and you see that you can type in like your username and password, or that you can log in through an organization, you don't want to hit either of those. In the bottom right-hand corner, you'll see an option that says sign in with browser. Now, in this tutorial, you see it automatically brought me to the browser login, so that's where I want to be. Now, you may think that you want to hit ArcGIS login and put your UVA username and UVA password, but that's not how we're going to log in, because we want to use the certificate that the University of Virginia provides. So we'll say your ArcGIS organization's URL. And you'll see right here, I already have it preloaded to say UVA library. Just for consistency, I'll go ahead and type that in. You can hit remember this URL, and then you hit continue. Then it'll say University of Virginia, you'll click on that. From here, you go ahead and you type in your computing ID as well as your password. From there, you'll be able to log into ArcGIS Pro. It'll bring you back over to ArcGIS Pro over here, like you saw, and then you'll be able to begin your assignments.